So on this one, what we do is we got the dryer vent right here. What I do is I take the end of a leaf blower, we got it, yep. We take the end of a leaf blower, undo the dryer line, and then we use the reverse air snake, which I showed you last time. So while it's blowing out, you can hear it, you can feel it. See, all this lint already came out. While it's blowing out, we stick this in and run the reverse. So it's a push-pull type method. And then after, we rake it up or pick it up, vacuum it up. I got a homemade little thing that it's a PVC pipe, and you put a stocking around it so it collects it all. But the stocking ripped. I got to get another one. I just haven't had time. I want to videotape it. Everything's ready to rock and roll. It's plugging through. See, all the lint already came out. So now he just fishes it back and forth with that reverse air snake, and it pulls everything out. And then after, we'll vacuum out that line, vacuum out the dryer, vacuum behind it, and wipe it down for her.
How far is that run?
Probably 20 feet. Is it getting caught? These the way they did these are stupid. Remember, all of them were designed stupid. Some of them went up, some of them went down. This whole building was tricky. So like I said, after this, we vacuum all that out. Let's see in there. No, I'm talking to my video camera. We make videos for social media and training purposes, like when we show customers. You don't mind I'm taking a video, right?
No, I don't care. I rent the place, so.
So this customer is saying that her dryer vent, she has to run the dryer twice, and definitely cleaning these out, make it run way more efficient and save you money in the long run. And you can see all the dust on the back of here. It probably wasn't even hooked up all the way, because that's a telltale sign. So as you can see, this is the dryer vent right here, the line. So all this is loaded all the way. That's a long run. So you can hear the air on the inside. Keep going! Keep going! So another telltale sign these aren't hooked up right, like I said, is you see all the dust down there, meaning that there's a hole or the hose wasn't on correctly. That's why all this dust is flying in the air too. And another thing we do, like I said, for the $125 is we vacuum around, wipe this down so the customer feels like they got something for the cost.